Hello again everyone. JaLingo's proverb of the week is cockroach no business in a fowl fight. And this means a cockroach must not get involved in a chicken or fowl fight. Other meanings: if you can't add value to a situation or an argument, don't get involved, because if you do, you will wish you didn't. Stay out of people's business. In the case of a cockroach getting involved in a fowl fight, chances are the cockroach might get eaten or swallowed. Simply don't meddle in things that don't concern you. Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. ¿Cómo se?
Cockroach and I get involved.
I know?
Yeah, you missed it most.
Oh God, be tired.
I understand.